The Bose ProFlight Aviation Headset is the industry's smallest, quietest, and most comfortable active noise canceling headset. In this video, we will help you unbox and set up your headset. Let's get started by carefully opening the box and confirm the following components are inside: your safety instructions and owner's guide. Underneath those is your carry case. Unzip and open the carry case to reveal your ProFlight Aviation Headset, along with your control module and control module holder. Unzip the smaller storage case to reveal two alkaline AA batteries, along with a pair of small and large Stay Here Plus tips. The medium tips are already attached to the earbuds. Okay, now let's go over properly fitting the headset. Use the left and right icons on the headband to orient the headset properly. Then rotate the side pads and lock them into the wearing position. Place the headset on your head. Note the headband placement is tilted forward and not directly overhead, and that the side pads are both above and slightly behind the ears. Next, insert the earbuds so the Stay Here Plus tips rest gently in the opening of the ear canal. Tilt the earbud back and tuck the tip wing under the ear ridge until it is secure. If necessary, choose a different size. The interior of the Stay Here Plus tips are colored differently. The small tips are white, the medium tips are gray, and the large tips are black. Select the size that gives you the best comfort and fit in each ear. Now let's adjust our microphone. Start by swiveling it counterclockwise until it is in the forwardmost position. Next, position it about ½ an inch away from your lips and make sure the white mark is facing your mouth. Okay, now let's set up our control module. The control module can be configured to accommodate a variety of different aircraft connectors. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using general aviation plugs. Remove the control module holder, press firmly on the finger indent, and slide the cover down. Be careful not to pull too hard, because the cover is tethered to the module. Now insert the included alkaline AA batteries while observing proper polarity, and then close the battery cover. Next, insert the aircraft connectors into your aircraft's control panel. If your aircraft is providing power to your control module, the module will power on automatically, and a green light will flash slowly. If you have a battery-powered version of the headset, press the power button and the indicator will glow amber before blinking according to the power level. Blinking green indicates your power level is high, with 8 or more hours of battery life available. Blinking amber indicates your power level is low, with between 2 and 8 hours of battery life available. Blinking red indicates your batteries need to be replaced, with 2 hours or less of battery life available. Test the headset before flight, and that's it. You're now ready to enjoy flying with your Bose ProFlight Aviation Headset. For additional videos, including a control module overview and help with replacing various parts, visit our website.